To change how long ad lighting will appear for notification pop-up in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, and then tap notification pop-up style. While notification pop-up style is set to brief, tap add lightning style, tap advanced tab, and then slide the adjustment bar below duration to the left to have a shorter duration for the add lighting alert, or slide it to the right to get a longer duration for the add lighting alert. If you are satisfied with the result, tap done button to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.